This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Hello, gardening spirit boosters. How y'all doing today? Okay, I'm adding this on to my other part of this video because I told you guys I was going to share my new plant. I believe it's called a Philodendron. If you guys know, ever heard of this plant, say so in the comments. But it's a beautiful plant. And as you can see, this thing right here is a root. So this thing gotta come out of this pot. See that long root? Look at my pointer. This thing here is a root, and they got this in a plastic bag and put in a metal container, which is a good idea. It won't rust. But yep, I gotta order larger size planter pot, and I'm gonna repot this Philodendron, I believe it's called. Thought it was pothos, but it's Philodendron. I don't know if this plant is dangerous for pets, because you know some of those, what is that, dumb cane or something like that? I might be mistaken. One of those plants is a pretty plant, but it's poisonous for animals. If some of y'all didn't know, some plants are not good to have for animals to be around. So if you are a pet person as well as loving plants, make sure you get plants that are pet friendly. But this plant is huge, and look at the new growth there. Besides those roots coming up. Wow. Check that out. Yeah. It looked like a root coming out of the leaf right here. Or it's growing up alongside of the leaf. I'm poking at it with my little paintbrush poker. But here's the new growth. This is a whole new plant, y'all. So I have it sitting in indirect sun. I didn't wet it because it was already wet when I purchased it. And I love it. I have so many plants now, y'all. It's a ton of plants in the inside, which I'm thinking about buying I'm about to move stuff around. I'm about to get me a plant stand and put these plants on. And that'll give me my chair back. Y'all don't know because I ain't showing it. Y'all can see this green thing. It's another one of these things here, this green thing. And it's full of plants. And I need to get a shelf to put these plants on. It's a bunch of baby plants. But in my, what I'm trying to tell y'all, in my propagated madness, you guys know Miss Janita. That's my name. If y'all don't know, new people, new subscriber, my name is Janita, Miss Janita. It's in my bio. When you click on that word about, it tells you who I am, what I'm interested in, what the channel is about, and it tells you about my other two channels. I have a crafting channel and I have a grocery channel. Now on my crafting channel, I'm doing some things over there. I'm putting out several videos on my crafting. If you want to see, go on over there. And if you are subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to like the video, and please don't forget to subscribe back. I'm gotta tell you, I'm an older person, and I'm telling you, I'm too grown and too exhausted to keep on subscribing to y'all channels and y'all unsubscribe or y'all don't subscribe back. I know I have at least subscribed to about at least 10, 15 channels. I don't see those people. So I think I'm not going to be doing that no more. I am exhausted of going and subscribing to people's channel, then they don't put in the work. I know this might sound like complaining to some folks. I do enjoy what I do, but I would like to be respected. And I gotta stop because I forget I can't have no long video on this channel. Okay, y'all, thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, but please remember to like it, and don't forget, first thing y'all do is like the video and stay subscribed. Invite me to your channel. Let me know what's your goings on, what's happening, how you're carrying on with your gardening, what you're doing. And new subscribers, please subscribe back to the channel. I am exhausted. I'm telling you, I'm too old for this. I ain't even gonna worry about making it to no 1,000 or getting mountainized. I'm just gonna do what I love to do and ain't gonna worry about subscribing to nobody, because if you ain't putting in the work, I'm through putting in all the work. I'm doing my thing. I'm running your videos. Even if I don't watch the whole thing, I'm giving you a full view. And I'm liking the first thing I do. I don't know what is so hard about people liking people's videos. It's weird. It's so weird. But y'all have a great gardening day, and continue to share your great videos. I am interested, but I ain't doing all the work by myself. Bye. Have a great gardening day. Thanks for your time and support.